Replacing windows in your home is a significant investment. It improves the aesthetics, enhances energy efficiency, and increases property value. However, it's easy to make mistakes during the replacement process, especially if you're not familiar with all the steps involved. In Jennings, where weather conditions can vary and local regulations need to be considered, it's crucial to approach window replacement with care and precision. Here's a guide to help you avoid some of the most common mistakes homeowners make when replacing windows. Failing to choose the right type of window. One of the most common mistakes is selecting the wrong type of window for your home's needs. There are various window styles: double hung, casement, sliding, and picture windows, among others. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on factors like ventilation, ease of cleaning, and the aesthetic you're going for. For instance, casement windows may be ideal for areas that need extra ventilation but may not be the best choice for a narrow space. On the other hand, picture windows offer excellent views but lack ventilation. It's important to consider the functionality of the window in relation to the room, as well as the climate of Jennings, where humidity and rain may affect certain materials more than others. Neglecting energy efficiency. Jennings experiences a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from humid summers to chilly winters. For this reason, choosing windows with good energy efficiency is essential to maintaining a comfortable home and lowering energy costs. A common mistake homeowners make is focusing only on the window style or cost, while overlooking the window's energy-efficient features. Modern windows come with various insulating technologies, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas fills between panes. These features help keep your home insulated from the elements, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. Make sure to select windows with a high Energy Star rating that are designed for the specific climate in Jennings. Skimping on professional installation. Installing windows is a complex task that requires precise measurements, proper sealing, and correct fitting to ensure maximum performance. Many homeowners try to cut costs by attempting a DIY installation or hiring the cheapest contractor. Unfortunately, improper installation can lead to a host of issues like poor insulation, leaks, and drafts. In Jennings, where humidity levels can fluctuate, improperly sealed windows are especially susceptible to water infiltration. Be sure to hire a reputable, experienced contractor who is familiar with local building codes and regulations. A professional installer will ensure that your windows are properly fitted, sealed, and aligned for maximum performance and longevity. Overlooking the importance of proper window maintenance. Even after installing new windows, many homeowners neglect ongoing maintenance. While new windows are more durable, they still require regular care to keep them functioning optimally. Neglecting to clean the windows, check seals, or inspect for cracks or damage can reduce their lifespan and efficiency. Jennings residents need to be particularly mindful of maintaining windows due to the potential for high humidity, rain, and occasional storms that can affect window seals. Regularly cleaning the windows, lubricating the moving parts, and inspecting seals will ensure that they remain in good condition for years to come. Ignoring local building codes and permits. In many regions, including Jennings, there are specific building codes and permits that must be followed when replacing windows. Failing to adhere to these regulations can result in fines, delays, or even having to remove the windows and replace them again. It's crucial to check with the local government or hire a contractor who understands the necessary permits and codes before starting the project. Whether it's for proper egress, ventilation requirements, or structural integrity, make sure that the new windows meet all local regulations. Choosing poor quality materials. Lastly, another common mistake is opting for poor quality window materials to save money up front. While cheap windows may be tempting, they often result in more significant costs down the line, either due to frequent repairs or higher energy bills. Choose windows made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood with a high-quality finish. These materials are not only aesthetically pleasing but also designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. Conclusion: replacing your windows is a great way to enhance your home, but it requires careful planning to avoid costly mistakes. By choosing the right window type, considering energy efficiency, investing in professional installation, maintaining the windows properly, adhering to local regulations, and selecting quality materials, you can ensure that your new windows provide lasting benefits. In Jennings, where the weather can be unpredictable, making informed decisions is the key to enjoying the comfort and value that new windows can bring to your home.